Hello and welcome to my Learn to Drive series. Today we're going to be talking about what happens before your driving test. If you do like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. This is going to be a series ongoing now, so this is going to take you from the start to the end and give you all the information that you require before, during and after your driving journey. My name's Kurt from NationDrive, and this is the first episode in a series of episodes that we're going to do. This episode today, this is talking about before you take your driving test, or before you even start to even learn to drive. So what you'll need is a provisional license. You'll need to be 17 years or older. If you are registered disabled, you can do this at 16. You'll need to apply for your driving lesson. Pro tip, apply for your provisional license prior to learning to drive. Don't do it when you're 17, do it before, so it arrives and you're ready to go. You can book your theory test prior to turning 17 as well. So if you need to, book it before you turn 17. If you want to get a few lessons in with an instructor, do that first and then book your theory. But my advice would be to book your theory before you turn 17. When you're looking for a driving instructor, ask your friends, go onto Facebook, look for anything that is a positive driving instructor with sort of recommendations or plenty of pass pictures on their profiles. It doesn't always really mean you get a good driving instructor. However, this will be my recommendation. So the next episode we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at what happens on your first driving lesson. Like I said, if you do like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. My name's Kurt. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.